Konnichiwa! Hope everyone's good. So it's time for an EDC update. I'll just get cracking with the knocking. Start off with the phone. Still the Hawaii Nexus 6. Does phone stuff. Still right in the rear notepad. Maxpedition Spicata in stainless steel. Awesome pen. Got some antiviral hand wipes and some hand sanitizer. Adidas mask. Been pretty good. Been using those all year. Haven't had any issues with them loosening up or anything, and they've been pretty comfortable. Anyway, watch. Still going with the old G-Shock, not G-Shock. It's the MRW200H. I think it was a 10F from Argos. And it's still going. I think 3 years now. I think. Still using the hygiene hand tool by Statgear. Got a new bandana. It's a Snow Peak. Which I dig. Camping themed. All about the camping. %100% cotton, and it's made in Japan, which is also a plus. Flashlight, still sticking with the Phoenix TK11 tack. It's been pretty good, no problems with it yet. I like it. Lighter. Still got the Table Flame Ranger model. Had a few issues with it at the start, but I was using a crappy gas. Now it works perfectly fine. Just using some cheap butane gas. Before I was using something else, can't remember what it was. Knife. Still got the Nagaho Higo no Kami. I made a more minimalist sheath out of some scrap leather. Doesn't look very good, but it works fine. I've been carrying it for 2 weeks now, I think, and it does what it's supposed to do, which is stop this from opening up in my pocket and cutting me. So it's not very fashionable, but I went for function over fashion. Still got the blue paper steel one. It's a favourite one that I own. Just an awesome knife. Like a razor blade. Keys. Nothing's changed with these since the last video. Still got the Spyderco Bug. The Inglebill Silver Grippers, which I still haven't lost yet. I think these are coming up to about 4 or 5 years old. And that just held on awesome. Phoenix NW20 whistle. Gerber shard. And the Olight I1R EOS 2, which is still awesome. First month carrying this one. And it's done great. No issues with that. Other keys. I've had this on for a while, but I always forget to show it because I never really show these ones. But I've got a Trollcross, or Trollcross. Swedish and Norwegian Vikings used them to ward off black magic and trolls. I don't know Vikings had access to the internet back then, but that's that. And wallet is still the Fly Industries EDC wallet. So as far as the contents of the wallet goes, nothing's changed. Still got the mini boo-boo kit, antiseptic wipe, water purification pills, which are probably out of date by now. If it wants to focus, 2020 it went out of date. So that went out a while ago, after we replaced those. Anyway, boo-boo kit, Fresnel lens, full-sized Swiss Army ferrocerium rod, some cordage, emergency lifeboat matches, and the tops, snap knife, Norseman design, with a signal mirror, seal needle, some waxed canvas thread, a small fishing kit, and that's it. And besides money and ID, that's all that's in the wallet. So somebody asked us a while ago about belts, and I completely forgot to show it. But I always wear the 511, can't remember the model, it's just 511 Tactical Series. I think it's the biggest belt. It's the one that has the high capacity climbing grade buckle. I think it's £6,000 or something like that. But I've had it for about a year now, I think. I had another one, but I've lost a lot of weight and that one didn't fit anymore, so I had to get a smaller one. The only real wear is the paint on the buckle. And that's about that. The only thing I carry on the belt is a pouch that I put the phone in. And if I don't feel like carrying the flashlight in my pocket, then I'll stick it on a belt pouch and carry it that way. Usually carry it in the pocket though. But that's the belt. So I got some new surplus boots. So these are Swedish M55s from 1984. And then I got these ones, which I think are the M77s, which are the waterproof version, or the bottom part is rubberized to make them waterproof. And these ones are from 1959. And supposedly these are the most comfortable hiking boots you can get. So I look forward to trying these. I'm just waiting on some mink oil. I've got some stuff that I made, but I'm still testing it out on old knife sheaths and just random bits of leather. So far it's been awesome though. It's just beeswax mixed with extra virgin olive oil, and that's it. Melt down the beeswax, stick some oil in there. And so far it's been very good, but I'm still trying it out. I don't want to be sticking it on these boots because I want these boots to last a long time, and I want to be sure it's going to work before I stick it on these. And more new boots, sexy boots. These are Czechoslovakian M60s combat boots. And they look cool with the things on the top. These need to be relaced. I got these on eBay. I think it was surplus and lost off of their eBay page. They came with laces, but the laces were a bit crappy, so I took them off. And all of these have got the bits for the skis. That's what that groove's for. And these have got the square toe for the skis as well, which is just a cool feature. The other Czechoslovakian M60s don't have that, they've just got the groove. Or maybe that groove's for something else. Anyway, those are the new boots. Get onto the bag. So the bag is still the 511 Rush 24. On the side, still got the same first aid kit. I'll not bother going into. Same as the last video, or whenever I last showed the first aid kit, it hasn't changed. Front pocket, nothing's changed, so I won't bother going into that. And in here, I got some cheapo ice grips, so you don't slip on ice, or crampons, whatever you want to call them. And in here, trying these out, battery protectors by Storacell. So far they've been good. Haven't seen any scratches or dents on the batteries. They're a bit open, so something can hit them from the side or the front, but so far they've been good. And in here I've just got the headband, some T-Rex tape, Phoenix LD 22 light, charging cable, fork knife and DC4, and the battery charger for the phone or whatever needs charging. And got some binoculars, wool gloves, and the Victorinox Swiss tool. That's carrying the bag now. Not working anymore, so there's no point carrying it on my person, it's just dead weight. Forgot about this pouch. Just got a dry bag and Fjallraven, I think it's the Bjorn wool hat. And then in here, I've got a broken Pathfinder thing, just noticed. So you get when you buy the Pathfinder shite. Pin or something falling out. It's probably lost, never to be seen again. Could have fallen through that grommet. I think it's the pin that goes through there. Anyway, so I've got the Pathfinder stainless steel. I'm gonna buy the, I think it's the French one. It's pretty much identical to this, and it's stainless steel. Or I could just get the American issue one. Either way, they're better than this Pathfinder crap. And anyway, probably never find that. Get a nail or something. Jerry rig it together. Got a World War II Russian, Soviet era World War II canteen. Thick, awesome Very heavy duty. Aluminium, don't give a shit. And reproduction canvas cover for it. Because I couldn't find the World War II issue genuine ones. And German seeping pad that I use for sitting on. It's going to annoy me not knowing where that... There it is. The fuck's that falling out? How the hell's it got a bend in it? Bending it from somewhere. Whatever. That's all that's in there. And then in the back, got a schmog. And knife my friend made us. Haven't got around to making a sheath for it yet, but that'll do. So far it's been awesome. Iron, I really like it. Held an edge awesome. I haven't hit it on the Waterstones yet. I've just been sharpening it with the DC4. And so far it's been awesome. It hasn't rolled or chipped or anything. Haven't batoned with it or anything. But I never really baton with knives anyway. Just feather sticks and whatnot. And very basic wood carving. And it's been awesome, so I really like that. And I don't really EDC that, I just had it in there because I've been playing with it in the woods today. Not working now, so I've got plenty of time to go down to the woods. I just never feel like making videos. But that's my EDC for this month. Thanks for watching.